How to get the Spotify receipt. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can get the Spotify receipt. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. You'll need to head into the browser version of Spotify. It won't be able to be seen. You won't be able to see it on Spotify application itself, whether on your desktop or phone. You'll need to head into the browser. So here, simply head into your browser. Now I'll just head into my Chrome here, and you can see I'm into the spotify.com and I'm logged into my account. Once you're logged into your account on spotify.com on a browser, simply tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you'll be headed into this option. Select the first option, the very first option that you can see, view account. Tap on it and you'll be headed into your account settings here. Now once here, what you want to do is scroll down and you can see the second option, payment, and under payment you can see the very first option, order history. Tap on the order history option there and you'll be able to find your receipts here. Now however, I don't have any transactions made, so my receipts is not showing up here. You can see no receipts found. If you have made any transactions, its receipts will be shown up here. So this way you can get the Spotify receipt. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.